Hey guys, welcome back to my page. My name's Chinutay. If you're new to my Ramadan daily vlogs, welcome, join the family. So if you've seen yesterday's vlog, I did something pretty incredible. I cut Amir's hair, but I did an excellent job doing it. And I'm gonna say it 1,000 times because I'm proud of myself, yeah? Everything went great. Amir's haircut turned out A+. I woke up this morning and I was like, wait, I gotta tell them first. Amir's praying, so I'm just gonna keep it quiet. At first, I was like, you know what? Adam needs a little trim. I wanted to do his birthday photo shoot for him. Let's just give him a haircut. I'm gonna show you guys what that looked like in a clip right now. So, show them the back. Show them the back. Oh my god.
What is that?
Oh my god. It looks... I messed up. I messed up. Okay, I got so big-headed I thought I could give him a haircut. He has like bald patches. I gave him a bath thinking, you know what, maybe when all the hair that's fallen gets washed away, it'll look a lot better. I don't know what I did. I went through so many different phases. I was crying at one point. I felt so bad. I felt like shaving my own to identify how he felt. Man, I took him upstairs. I woke Amir up. I'm like, Amir, I did something. Do you notice something different? He's like, oh my god, he looks like baby Gollum. Baby Gollum. I don't know what to do. I literally had to take his birthday photo for Instagram. We had a shoot ready. Got him a cute little Gucci outfit. I feel so bad. He doesn't know. Every time I look at his cute little face, Adam. Adam. Hi, Adam. He has no idea what's... Hi, Baba. He has no idea what's going on. He's gonna watch this when he's like 18, inshallah. He's gonna be like, Mom, what'd you do to my hair? And if my mother-in-law sees this, who's a hairstylist, hairdresser, she's gonna be like, why didn't you just wait for me, Manal? I don't know what to do. Can you guys comment down below? And you're not gonna be smiling when you see what your hair looks like. It's just that he just kept moving. He kept moving. I just can't look at it. I can't look. So I took a nap to feel a little better. Hey, Saiko. I woke up. I come downstairs. It wasn't a dream. It was real. It wasn't a nightmare.
Look at my son. My son.
Babe, how do they look?
Very good.
Right? Mama. I'm sorry. Huh? Mama, he wouldn't stop moving. It's harder when it's a baby. Nobody tells you these things. Thank you, Mama. She's like, don't worry, it's gonna grow.
Yeah,
this is the most support I've received from everybody.
She was scared to show you, Mama. She was scared to show you.
Actually, your reaction's pretty good.
She was scared because she goes, oh,
Mom,
Mama's gonna kill me.
Mom Rahana was gonna cry. She was so close to crying when I showed her the video. Today's one of those just days I just feel like doing nothing. Just want to play with you. Oh, look at you. So we are taking a little stroll. I don't know why we decided to actually take the stroller because it's such a lovely day and we could just take turns holding Adam. Hi, Baba John. Hello, Baba. Adam. Also, I'm using my gimbal, so if it's a really smooth, professional video, your girl has upgraded. We have like 5 or 6 of these next to our house, which is great because most of the time they're empty. Oh yeah. Huh? No, that one should fit him. Poor Adam, you can't deny him of the swing. He loves the swing. Yeah, dude. We're so excited because we've never had a 1-year-old before. True. This is a really big monumental moment for us. Wow. He's like, this is my jam. Wow. MashaAllah, Allahumma barik.
Yeah.
You like the swing? MashaAllah. Look at me, I'm a mess. I got emotional just thinking about him. I got emotional thinking about him being 1 year old, and I ruined my eyeliner. I wish I had a park like this growing up. I am tired of cleaning. I feel like I'm constantly cleaning. I don't even have time to do my makeup because I'm busy cleaning. And everywhere I look, there's a cleaning basket. There's a sock on the floor. I don't understand why it's just not progressing as fast as I think it should. I don't know if it's because I'm listening to music and I'm dancing in between. Nobody told you buying a big house is a lot of work. I mean, I grew up in a 3-bedroom flat with like 8-9 people all my life with 1 bathroom. And mashallah, alhamdulillah. Now I have 4 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, and I'm bloody tired. I sound so bratty, but it's just a lot of work. And I know a lot of bloggers have cleaners, and I occasionally get cleaners in once in a while. But then I'm just like, what would my mom think? Everything is a mess. It's always a mess. On the plus side, there's more content for me to film for you guys. And if you guys want to see a lot of clean with me's, there's going to be a lot of opportunity for that. We are about to vacuum pack some more pillows. I need to put on a mask. I haven't had time to like do self-care. Self-care can completely transform my mood. Look at this. You know what? Let's focus on the positive. I'm going to start showing you guys the things that I am doing. I remind myself that I actually am progressing. Alexa, play. This is probably why I don't get work done. So I've realized through this whole stay-at-home quarantine thing, if your things don't have a designated place for it somewhere, whether it's in the cupboards, in a basket in the cupboards, allocated to a certain area, your room will forever be a mess. And I realized that, and now I'm like on this adrenaline to kind of get these baskets, put things in the baskets, and make homes for every little thing that I'm keeping. And if I do not need it, and if I haven't used it in a year, then I'm getting rid of it. That mentality has helped me like kind of pick up little things around the house and say, okay, where does this belong? Also, making a lot of things fit in one area of storage just by organizing everything is like blows my mind. So yes, I went on IKEA, and IKEA was giving me a nightmare of a time to order these baskets. I was on the website probably over 20 times trying to check out, and each time I checked out, because of the mass amount of people in IKEA trying to get all these things, everything in my basket was just completely checking itself out and like unbasketing itself. I was getting so freaking annoyed. I called IKEA like maybe like 3 or 4 times, and it's because of the influx of people trying to do the exact same thing I'm trying to do, make homes for things. So basically I wanted to get those scubs, which are like these white boxes you put in actual wardrobes that divide your clothing so everything fits neatly in there. Managed to get the ones that I wanted, and I even bought like an extra 2 just in case I found more areas where I wanted to store different things. But making a home and designated place for each item in your house makes your life so much more neater. All this like minimal decor, like neatness and everything, that is so up my alley. It's something that I've loved and wanted for so long. I just wasn't able to ever do, and I would try to get like this more cupboards and more, but that's not the case. It's about organizing things and finding places for things.
How is it?
Best bubble tea I've ever had in my life.
Oh yeah?
You want to try some?
Sure I do.
Nope. No kidding. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this bubble tea. Oh, sorry. I hope you enjoyed this bubble tea recipe. Just totally winged it, but it turned out great. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe and join the family. By the way, these are marble ice cubes that you could just freeze and then pop into your drink so your drink doesn't get watery. Comment down below and let me know what other things you'd like to see. Thanks for watching this vlog, guys. Bye!